So now for the second part, our main three focus will be for the face, remaining part of the hairs and beard also. So starting with the face, for making the eyes, first of all focus where the darker portions are. Like the cornea, eyelashes, eyebrows. These are the parts which are a little bit more whiter or in the middle, not outside part. Like the end of eyebrow are a little bit highlighted, starting of eyebrows are a little bit highlighted too, but the middle part of eyebrows are a little bit darker. So you have to use pencils which are a little bit darker so that you can apply a little bit highlights too. But the problem with graphite pencil is that they look more shiny and you have to use 10B or 11B pencil for making it look a little bit more darker. So for the hair parts like beards, mustache, eyebrows, eyelashes, these are the parts which are most of the time 75 to 80% times are a little bit darker as compared to any other parts. So you can use charcoal pencil, but problem is that you cannot sharpen charcoal pencil easily as you sharpen your graphite pencil. So you have to use blades for cutting your charcoal pencils into a useful or the pointed one. So if you don't know how to sharpen your charcoal pencil, just comment down below. I will make another tutorial for you all, or you can also tell your parents if you are under 12 or 13 years age to use blades for sharpening your charcoal pencils. So after sharpening charcoal pencils, you can apply two smaller details like the hairs of eyebrows, hairs of eyelashes. These are the smallest hairs of any particular portrait or any other persons. So you have to apply two smaller details on those parts also. So after applying those smaller parts, you have to more applied, or what I mean about saying applied is that after applying the details, before that you have to make a base layer. Like I want to tell you that the part where the eyebrows is going on, you cannot apply the base layer of graphite pencil. Problem is that if you apply a 2B pencil as a base layer for the parts like eyebrows or eyelashes, if you want to apply charcoal pencil on the first layer of the graphite pencil, it will not be blended easily or you cannot apply those smaller details. So I will recommend that if you are making a base layer on a face structure using a 2B pencil, just leave the parts where the graphite pencil and the charcoal pencil are blending, like eyebrow part. Leave the base layer, make a base layer using charcoal pencil if you are using the charcoal pencil on the particular area, so that you can blend it easily. Now after applying these details, we are going to focus on the parts of a beard also and the ear part also. The problem is that the front face of Vicky Kaushal is a little bit lighter as compared to back side part or the right hand side part of the face. And the reason we have discussed in previous part that the light source, which is sun, is a little bit high and on the left hand side part of the face, and that face of Vicky Kaushal is also tilted on a little bit left side. So of course the shadows part will be on the right hand side. So to make those shadows look more darker, don't use a 5B or 6B pencil directly. As always, make a base layer, just like we are going to focus on the ears and remaining part of face also. Make a base layer using 2B pencil, then just upgrade your pencils, like first base layer, then after blending it using earbud tissue or anything that you can use, just don't use used or previously uncleaned. We have discussed in previous tutorial of Rashmika Mandana also, where we have used a blending stump which was not cleaned, so it was giving me a completely darker look. So don't make that mistake here also. Now after using a makeup brush and blending the base layer, use a 3B pencil on the parts which you see a little bit darker, like the end part of eyebrow, starting part of eyebrow and starting part of eyes also, where a little bit darker parts are going on, and the nose part, left hand side part of the nose where the darker parts are going on, and the ear part which is completely dark. So these are the 3 to 4 parts of the face where a little bit darker shades or shadows are going on. The nose shadow is going on directly on the downside part of the face, where you see mustache and the nose is little bit, you can see a little bit collision between those two parts, but that is not collision, that is shadow of the face. So the eyebrow, right, starting of eyebrows, starting of eyes, nose, downside part of nose, and the lip part, or you can also say that the darker parts of ears, these are the parts which are looking a little bit darker. So to make those parts look more darker, use 3B pencil for the first layer. If you see the parts of the, if you see, focus on the middle part of ears, those are a little bit more darker. So after using 3B pencil, again blend it and again use 4B pencil. If you see that some parts are looking a little bit more darker, use a upgraded light 6B or 5B pencil also. And likewise, you can apply more and more details to your sketches and you can have more beautiful sketches of yours. So using the same technique, you can apply on every part where the face structure is going on. Like the right hand side part of face of Vicky Kaushal is a little bit more shadowed, or the blend between the shadows and the highlights of the face are the parts which are more difficult. And the problem here is that I am using a high resolution photo, and high resolution photo helps you have more and more details, like the cell structure of skin, direction of cell structure on the skin, and too many details you see. So you have to apply those details also, and it is a totally time consuming process, and you have to keep on focusing on how many hours and how many times you have to give to a particular portrait. I give more than 8 to 9 hours for a particular sketch. In previous parts also I have discussed that first of all, before 6 or 8 months I was just making drawing sketches, not realistic sketches. I was just making those portraits in just 30 minutes or 1 hour or 2 hours. But after applying more and more details and more time to my sketches, I was able to make more beautiful sketches in more than 8 hours and 9 hours. But the sketch was looking a complete realistic and hyper realistic sketches also. So if you just be patient while making your portrait sketches. And for making the backgrounds, I'm using a graphite pencil, because if I will use a charcoal powder or graphite powder or any other darker parts, the shadows will look completely dark and it will not blend easily with the face structure and the portrait that I'm using. So for that particular reason, I'm not using charcoal pencil as a background. So after making these portraits, we are going to focus on the remaining part like beard and any other things in next part.
So if you have learned something from this video, subscribe and drop a like, and comment down your question and queries regarding this tutorial. Meanwhile, take care of your loved ones too. Have an artistic day. Tattoos.